On the dashboard, click on Manage Project. View all existing projects listed here. Use the filter or search bar to find specific projects easily. Click on a project to open and view its full details. At the top, find the project summary, including description, owner, deadlines, frequency, and current status. Scroll down to view recent crawl activity, including run date, time, and crawler status. On the right side, see the project stats like total number of records and download size. Below stats, you will see the list of project team members. To add a team member, click on the Add button in the Team section. Type in the user's email address and press Enter. If the user already exists and is verified, they will be added to the project instantly and can access your project. However, if the user is new or unverified, you need to invite them. Click on Add to begin. Type in the new user's email address and press Enter. A form will appear. Fill in the required details, including name, role, company, job title, country, and phone number. Click Save to send the invitation. An invite email will be sent automatically. The user status will appear as Invited until they complete registration and verify the status. Once verified, they will be able to access the project. To remove a member, click the Remove icon next to their status. Confirm the action by clicking Yes in the dialog box. Click Edit Project to make changes to project details. After editing, click Update Project to save the changes. To view the crawlers, click the menu icon next to Edit Project. Click on Crawlers. View all crawlers associated with the selected project. You can also switch between projects to view project-specific crawlers. Click the Project Selection drop-down at the top. Choose the project you want to switch to. The crawlers from the selected project will now be displayed. To return to the Project Details page, click the project name in the breadcrumb navigation. To update the project settings, click on the menu icon from Project Detail page. Then click on Settings. Under Data Configuration, choose the default export format and set delivery options. Click Save to apply your settings. Go to the Preferences tab to manage notifications. Enable or disable email and push notifications for projects, crawlers, runs, schedules, users, and system updates. Click Save once your preferences are set. Return to the Project Detail page, open the menu, and select User Permissions. Click Select User dropdown to view the list of users associated with that project. From the dropdown, select the user whose permissions you want to manage. Choose the specific permission to assign and click Save. Similarly, for Crawlers Access, select the crawlers from the dropdown. Manage permissions as needed and click Save to apply changes.